Chris, this is a great question that a lot of people have been asking. How do we use AI with CRM?
People may not even know this, but there has been AI in CRM for years. That tool ERM, or Enterprise Relationship Management, that captures contacts and creates them from the signature blocks of emails, that is technically a simple form of AI. You know, our new software has an ERM, and it's got an AI in it. If you've thought about a white space analysis, if you're not familiar with that, just imagine sort of a chart where you have all your practices across the top and all your clients down the left side. And so you can see your practices, and, you know, basically where there's either an X or a dollar amount is where you're currently doing work. And any place that there's white space, also known as green space, is where you could potentially cross-sell. That's a sort of a simplified form of financial AI. Chatbots, you know, most of our larger, more prominent and business-to-business firms are probably not going to use chatbots, but some of the smaller firms might. When you're dealing with a high volume of leads coming into your website, and you either need to do FAQs and answer their questions, or, you know, and some of our service providers here, you know, if you are constantly dealing with clients who are getting in touch with you and have FAQ type issues, then maybe a chatbot can help you get through some of those, obviously not all of them. Relationship mapping, that who knows who and how well based on recency and frequency of communications in email. That's another sort of a machine learning AI. And then, of course, you know, NLP can help you extract information and deal better with natural language. You know, you might be familiar, Salesforce has an Einstein feature. They're sort of late to the game in legal. Oddly, we've been doing that kind of stuff for many, many years, but it's just trying to help automate things that are currently really manual because there's not enough hours in the day.